painful reminder of her own unease. The air is thick with joyous chatter. Yet Wilma remains isolated, a silent observer in a world of celebration. In the solemn ambiance of the church, Wilma stands among the bridesmaids, a silent observer. Her gaze drifts toward Barney at the altar, a mix of happiness and nervousness etched on his face. Fred, acting as a father figure, looks at Wilma with a tender smile. Wilma catches Fred's eye, a silent exchange passing between them. The church, filled with anticipation, awaits the vows that will bind two souls. The light alone, her mind adrift. Barney, it's funny how things turn out. We go way back. A memory stirs within her, pulling her back through the corridors of time. The church fades, streams through the stained glass windows, casting colorful patterns on the floor. Sunlight spills through the stained glass, painting the church in vibrant hues, as Wilma sits alone in stone costume, throws her head back in laughter. Barney, equally spirited in his Barney Rubble attire, joins her, their combined laughter echoing through as Wilma's memories rise. The past envelops Wilma. The church fades, replaced by a flashback of a bustling college party, alive with youthful exuberance. Wilma, radiating joy in her Wilma Flynn